Somebody's feeling guilty about something. Aren't you? I'm not guilty. Oh yeah? What's this? Huh? No, that is not for you to eat. Where did you get this? I'm talking to you. Where did you get this? This is not a treat. Hey, Keesha. Keesha, where did you get this? Where? Where? Naughty girl. Yes, you shouldn't be getting into pretzels. Hello? Talking to you. Well, let's wait till your daddy gets home. I'm going to ask him where he left his pretzels. All right. You're so silly. Yes, you are. You're a silly girl. You know I can't get angry at you because you're just so cute. You are just so cute, aren't you? Yes, you are. Silly baby. Silly baby. Say bye. I love you. I love you. Yeah. There. He give you a scratch on the head. There. I love you. I love you. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oh, now you want belly rubs. All right, we'll give you some belly rubs. That's it. All right, we'll go out walking in a little while.